Ready to learn today? Hi, friends! Let's meet Veggie Friends!
We are learning about yummy vegetables.
Let's go to the farm! Choo-choo!
First up is tall green corn.
Look at the yellow corn!
Corn is the color yellow. Corn makes yummy white popcorn.
Crunch, crunch! Corn is sweet!
1, 2, 3 cobs of corn. Great job learning about corn.
What is hiding underground here?
It is the brown potato.
Potatoes are round and brown. Inside, the potato is yellow. We love French fries, right? Mashed potatoes are soft and fluffy. Potatoes are super cool. Watch these turn bright red. Hello, big red tomato. Tomatoes are clean and fresh. Tomatoes make yummy red ketchup.
We put tomato sauce on pizza.
Can you say tomato?
Tomatoes are happy fruits. Look at this basket of onions.
Onions have so many layers. Don't cry. Onions are strong. Fried onion rings are tasty. Purple onion and white onion. We cook onions in yummy soup. Let's clap for the onion.
Who eats these green leaves?
It's an orange carrot.
Bunnies love crunchy carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes. Warm carrot soup is healthy. Baby carrots are a fun snack.
Goodbye, orange carrot.
This looks like a little tree.
It is very dark green.
Broccoli makes your bones strong. Welcome to the broccoli forest! Broccoli with cheese is yummy! High five for healthy food! Do you like green broccoli? Red, yellow, and green peppers. The red pepper is sweet. The green pepper is crunchy. The yellow pepper is bright. So many colors in our salad.
Peppers love to party.
This round ball is lettuce. I make food taste yummy! I'm full of healthy vitamins too! We're tiny, bright green peas. We live together in pods. We grow on climbing vines. We're sweet and very tiny. We have protein to help you. Veggie friends, love you all! Hello, I'm Lettuce the Fresh. I'm light green and leafy. I have crispy, wavy leaves. I grow in garden rows. I keep you feeling fresh. I have vitamins A and K. 10 veggie friends are complete team. We all love healthy eating together. Thanks, friends. See you next time.